Welcome aboard Journey. This is a 41-foot Litton trawler built in 1985. With her semi-displacement hull and weighing in at almost 15 tons, Journey is a reliable trawler that can safely take you on adventures across the Pacific Northwest. Combined with two 135 horsepower Perkins engines and a bow thruster, close-quarter maneuvering is made just a little easier. Equipped with an upper and lower helm station, making piloting the boat in all weather conditions safe and comfortable. A complete galley and salon make meal preparations easy and relaxing to enjoy on newly appointed seats. Or maybe you want to barbecue out on the back deck to take in all your surroundings. And after a day of exploring, retire to a large aft cabin, complete with a walk-around queen-size bed. This well-maintained 41-foot Litton trawler will provide you with plenty of room and comfort, whether your plans are for a weekend getaway or cruising for several weeks.